It's important. Can't forget that. Make it very It looks terrible out there, people. That's what we're doing. Because I don't want to throw my keys away. Right. That would be tragic. That would be horrible. We're at 1.26. Oh shit. The door is practically barricaded. Still, yeah. Oh, damn, it's slippery here. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh shit!
Step down right here.
Damn. Okay, I got it. Okay. Yes.
Sidewalk.
Okay.
That's probably the smartest thing to do.
Yeah. Okay, I'm looking out here. Ooh, okay. It's like a foot of snow out here. Oh yeah. This is right here. Ooh. Ooh. Just hit me in the ear.
It's like coming down forward.
I know.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. It's crazy out here. Oh my God, we're out here for 2 seconds.
I don't think it feels
No.
like a good idea.
I
Okay,
don't
so
either.
there's a dip.
Okay, we gotta. Oh, be careful. Be careful.
Okay. Okay, we passed the dip, girl.
The road is getting wet.
Passed it.
I think I'm gonna have to stop.
Oh shit. Okay, stop it.
Wait, my phone. Be
another
careful,
dip.
Angie. Oh, Angie, be careful.
Oh,
Just like, be careful. Damn, my teeth like, hello. Oh, shit. They come here to this side. Hello.
Alright, so it's really slippery by the garbage.
Oh, shit. Okay, I'm gonna let you go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead and get it done,
Might have to
girl.
do one
Oh, shit. Oh, I'm cursing and shit. Be careful. You think leaving it right there is okay?
You said with me.
Yes, and me. Surprisingly, it's not that cold out here. Oh, almost got my phone. We're done? Okay. I'll start this again later. Say bye.
Alright. Made it.
Oh, damn, I can't. I gotta touch this phone to actually stop it. Crying out loud. Thanks.